Whispers in the rain. Calm within the storm. With Dr. O. Hello. Close your eyes. Listen carefully. The rain is falling softly. Each drop touching the earth, like a quiet reminder. You are safe. Breathe in slowly, and imagine the rain washing over your thoughts. Exhale, and let tension dissolve like dust in water. The rain does not rush. It simply falls. Steady, calm, certain. Silently repeat. I am safe in this moment. I allow myself to relax. I release what I cannot control. The rain carries away my worries. The rain cools my stress. The rain softens my heart. My breath is slow. My body is heavy. My mind is quiet. Every drop reminds me. It is okay to slow down. It is okay to rest. It is okay to just be. I do not need to solve everything tonight. I do not need to prove anything. Right now. I simply exist. The rain continues. Steady. Gentle. Protective. With every breath, I feel lighter, softer, calmer. Stay here for a few seconds. And when you are ready, slowly open your eyes. The rain is still there. And so is your calm. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more meditation videos only on Dr. O. Thanks for watching Dr. O. Dr. O.